The Forest Park branch is one of our least accessible branches. Right now, only 4 out of the 11 stations are accessible. We want to make sure that if you live nearby a rail station, you can access that rail station. I've been using a wheelchair since I was 13 years old. My disability personally also affects how I ride CTA. It gives me that personal experience of like what a customer is also going through because I go through that same experience. I oversee all of the feedback that comes into CTA, and based on that feedback, I take that as a way to advocate for changes as CTA.
When we released our All Stations Accessibility Plan in 2018, we saw that as an opportunity as we did major reconstruction of the base infrastructure, the tracks, the structures that ultimately are required to be expanded to be able to accommodate elevator platforms, that we would do stations as we did those projects. So the first phase of the Congress branch allows us to create an accessibility point at Racine Station, not only to provide a better product for our customers in a cleaner, more modern station, but really creating access. And access is really a principal right for everybody, and this is a key point in the quarter with its relationship to the medical district and the schools there.
Racine Station was built in 1958. The ramp is not ADA compliant as the slope is too steep and does not have any landings. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's 1:12 ratio to make sure that people who use manual wheelchairs can push themselves without it being too steep. We're adding an elevator for people who can't walk long distances by using the ramp. They can use the elevator. So this is long overdue, and it is just one small step to continuing this process of making CTA fully accessible.